This question combines our knowledge of two-dimensional geometry with a little bit of algebra. So let's check it out. The length of a rectangle is twice its width, and the area of the rectangle is 98. What is the width of the rectangle? Okay, so you can draw your rectangle either longer horizontally or longer vertically. It doesn't matter. I'll draw this one longer vertically, so something like that, and you don't need to worry about the dimensions really, but it says the length of a rectangle is twice its width. So if we call this the length and this the width, I'll go ahead and label that just to keep things straight. We're going to say this is the length and this is the width. It says that the length is twice its width. We don't know either of them, so we can just say, okay, I'm going to say the width is some value for x, and the length is twice that, so we can just say 2x. It's two of those. Okay, and then the other piece of the information that we have is the area of the rectangle is 98. So if we recall that the area for a rectangle is length multiplied by width, we can then say, all right, we know that the length is 2x, and the width is x, and we also know that the area is equal to 98. Now we have an equation with one variable, and we just need to solve that. So let's clean up the right side. 98 is equal to 2 times x is 2x squared. When you multiply variables, you add their exponents. So the exponent of 1 here and the exponent of 1 there gave us that 2. Now we just need to solve for x. Let's divide by 2 on both sides. That gives us 98 divided by 98 divided by 2 is 49. And our right side is just x squared. Now in this case, to get x by itself, to undo the square, we need to take the square root. And what we do to one side, we must do to the other. And so the square root of 49, again, calculator is always an option, but the square root of 49 is 7, and the square root of x squared is just x. So now we have that x is equal to 7. Let's go back to what it is that we're being asked. It says, what is the width of the rectangle? So if we look at these two, this one's the width, and we just have that one x there. So this is equal to 7. And so our answer for the width will be 7, and we find that answer right here in letter H.